Within the attendance list, under the paid with column, we can easily see whether a client has paid for the class or they have not paid yet. Under Rachel Anders, for example, she has the unlimited kickboxing membership applied to pay for this booking. But besides to the right of it, you'll see a little edit pencil icon. If we click on it, right now we can only change it to a not paid. In the event that Rachel maybe has different memberships, or maybe she has a membership and maybe a special offer session pass that she purchased at the same time, and they can both be applied to this booking, we can choose which purchase option to use to apply to this specific scheduled session. Okay, so that's why that pencil icon is there for us to adjust if needed. In the event that the client has not paid, the staff member needs to make sure that they take a payment. So how do we do it from the attendance list? To the right of the client, we're going to take Eric Marks, for example. To the right, we have the cart that is a pay now button. So to take the payment, the staff will click on pay now, and it's going to go ahead and redirect us to the store screen. So we already saw the store screen from one of our earlier lessons, but from here we're just going to review this one more time. So on the very top we have our customer information filled in already based on the fact that we came from the class booking for Eric specifically. Below we have our products and services. Again, we can search for the product and items here by typing in the name if we know what it's called. If not, we can filter by the store categories that we've set up in our system. In this case, again, the system will go ahead and show us any applicable passes for this specific service first, and quick buy items if we've enabled quick buy. Underneath, we will see the different options, and let's just say in this case, Eric wants to go ahead and buy a 10 kickboxing class pass. We can simply add this to cart. And to the right hand side, if we need to maybe adjust the price and the staff has a correct staff role permission, they can definitely adjust it. We can change the quantity as well. And on the bottom, if we need to apply any discount codes or anything like that, or apply a tip, that's all available for us to do down here, and which we'll take a look at a little bit later in our store lesson. Going to proceed to checkout. And then here we're just going to go ahead and select the payment method. We're just going to go with cash, nice and simple. And then we're going to go ahead and complete the sale. And once that's completed, we can go ahead and maybe email the receipt to the client, print the receipt, and if there's a receipt printer that's attached and set up compatible with Wellness Living, we can also go ahead and send that receipt to the receipt printer. If not, there are a few shortcut options for us to take. For example, going back to the attendance list, go to the client profile, or we can even transfer this to maybe another client if needed. From here, I'm actually going to go ahead and go back to the attendance list just so we can see how that looks like after the payment is taken. You will see that the 10 kickboxing class pass has now been assigned. And here, the remaining, you'll see that it's on the first use. It'll let us know, right? And to begin with, there are 10 sessions. And that's how you would take a payment from the attendance list.